Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the Index Stack widget in Teta. As you can see, we now have 3 buttons on our screen. They will allow us to change a few elements we will be adding soon. Let's add some previously created components right after the index stack. Next, let's select the scaffold to create a state which we will give to our widget. Let's then place the int type and confirm. We can now place it within the widget. The time has come to finally change it thanks to our buttons. Thanks to this widget, the index stack will allow us to choose between all the widgets placed within it. All that is left to do is to access each container's gesture detector and add an action. Let's now place state, on tap, change width, and state 1. We then place the number 0 in the first gesture detector, the number 1 in the second one, and finally the number 2 in the third one. Let's start by placing the number 0. This is because the index stack works just like an array. So, when counting our elements, we will start from 0. Let's now press play and see our final result. As you can see, each button will make an element of the widget list in the index stack pop up. This will be possible without having to use the if widget or more complicated ones. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!